This is your 60-inch R.W. flame electric fireplace. The special thing about this fireplace is that the heaters are in the front, so you can actually recess it. You've got two colors. One is controlling the flame, and then the other one's controlling the base. So this is your flame color, and then this is the background color. Now you can control the speed as well of the flame. See how it slowed it down? And this is faster and faster and faster. And it looks really nice and sharp.
And it's hot.
And it's hot. Yeah. You unscrew this. This is your mounting. And then this has a lip. You drill this whole thing to the wall. And then you just hang it on top. That's how this works. If you're doing a recess, you're going to need to cut a frame in your wall specific to size. Once you do, you can just slide it in, and then the heater is actually coming in the front. So you can turn on a timer, so you got 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Our fireplace broke. The LED still works, but the heater does not work. So we got a new 60-inch R.W. flame electric fireplace. So of course, we're obviously gonna have to cut it, and then we're gonna have to install it. But I wanted to show you guys what to expect from this fireplace, because this is the second one that we've gotten. Previously, I bought the 50-inch, and this is the 60-inch. So I have my assistant here. Alex is gonna open it up. Alright, so one thing is you wanna be careful when you lift that, because these little crystals are gonna fall out. So there are 2 bags of them on the side. If you guys want a discount for this fireplace, make sure you go to RWFlame.com and use a code Unboxing Army. Put it over here. The entire front is shrink wrapped as well to protect it, so we're gonna take it off.
Take the instructions off.
So, what it's gonna look like. The special thing about this fireplace is that the heaters are in the front, so you can actually recess it. So this is the heater here. There's a mesh on here. This is where the air comes in, and then the heat comes out of there. To remove the glass, we're gonna go look for the lower bottom screw right here. It's marked with an arrow, and we're gonna take this one off. This will allow you to swing open the front door. Okay, down. Okay, now we're gonna go and swing that up.
I'm putting the camera right over the thing.
Wait, mine's not. There you go.
It's out, it's out.
Now lift it. Put it back down. Over here.
Yeah, put it back.
Wait, Alex. Oh, yeah. This is tempered glass, it's black. Oh, so this is your fan heater. This fireplace does come in different sizes as well. 42, 50. All right, so now get those crystals.
Just randomly add them.
So we're putting the crystals on this bottom tray here.
Technically, I'm the one doing that.
Okay, so Cindy's doing this.
I'm not Cindy, I'm Alex.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Valerie. Because we're not actually mounting this to the wall. If you were, it's very easy. You unscrew this. This is your mounting, and then this has a lip. You drill this whole thing to the wall, and then you just hang it on top. That's how this works. If you're doing a recess, you're gonna need to cut a frame in your wall specific to size. For that, you have the sheet there, and then once you do, you can just slide it in, and then the heater is actually coming in the front.
That might be a little bit hard. Screw it in. Okay, I think he...
So now we're in.
That's it standing up on little paint bottles. Okay, now somebody has to plug it in.
Okay.
It's glowing green, and just...
Step back a little, so we can see. So we got the fireplace in. This is 60 inches. I'll show you the scale of this. It's pretty big. Now let's see what it can do. Color. We change the color. There you go. Red. This is like a yellowy. Christmas time. You got your blues. There's more colors.
How do you mean?
You've got two colors. One is controlling the flame, and then the other one's controlling the base. So this is your flame color, and then this is the background color.
How is it gonna look special blue? How is it gonna look special blue? And I don't feel any heat.
Because it's not on yet.
What do you mean it is on?
No, so I'm gonna turn on the heat now. Okay, go see if you feel the heat.
Oh yeah, there is heat.
Is it instant?
Yeah.
Oh, it is instant.
Air condition, yes?
Of course not. That would be nice. That would be great if RW created a fireplace that's also an air conditioner. That would be great. Whew, I already feel it. Let's turn it off. Now you can control the speed as well of the flame. See how it slowed it down? And this is faster and faster and faster. A timer, so you got 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Here's your dimmer. So you can dim this, you can play with the colors. So quite a lot of options. So what do you think?
How it simulates a real fire.
What do you mean you don't understand? Because you got the flames.
I feel like
I like this one the best. If you guys want this and you want a good price, head on over to RWFlame.com.